Cayuca, Arte y Producción, Circo, Cuenta Teatro, Colombia 2022.
Welcome to Colombia, man. That's how they do it, man. They do some beautiful work. It's a part of the culture, man. Beautiful Colombia.
Victoria!
Yo, what's good? This your boy, Mr. Midas, aka the King of Travel. Another beautiful day in Colombia, man. You know what I'm saying? I want to learn a little bit more about the artwork out here. You know what I'm saying? The graffiti all over the wall, the great artwork. You know what I'm saying? So y'all stay tuned and let's see what, you know what I'm saying, all this artwork is about in Colombia. Welcome to Off the Beaten Path. Make sure you hit that subscribe button on my YouTube channel. Let's get it.
Listen to me closely. The situation might get a little dangerous. Hey, don't try this at home. The beaten path isn't for everyone. Join Mr. Midas, the world traveler, aka the King of Travel.
Beautiful day in Colombia, man. Eating a good vegetarian meal, you know what I'm saying? Chicken, cucumbers and stuff. I'm on a diet now, so you know I gotta do what I gotta do. Making it do what it do. What's good, man?
The tour was good?
Tour was good, man. I like the bike tour, so now I'm trying to do the graffiti tour, right?
Graffiti tour.
Yeah, man. So everybody just kind of chilling out. You know what I'm saying? It's a good meeting zone right here, man. People, vendors out here, man, and everybody just enjoying the beautiful weather, man, and very safe place, you know. So my thing is checking out the tours. I only had one today, but I think I'm gonna do the graffiti one too, you know, because I want to know more about the city and what this graffiti is about in Colombia, you know, and all this artwork on the wall, man. So y'all stay tuned, man, and let's tour the city. Man, the weather's beautiful out here too, man. Nice and warm, you know. Yeah, so you know, that's the name of the game. That's what it's all about, man. Touring the countries, you know. So I come to find out these tours right here, actually, you could do them for free. And then you just tip them at the end, you know what I'm saying? But they definitely worth the tip. And the reason why is they do such a good job. But that's something new I learned today, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? So that's what's up. Welcome to Off the Beaten Path. Let's travel. This right here, Chica Frita, man, is straight juice. Straight juice. Mango. Orange juice. Yeah, so you know, it's a different people over here. We're gonna do the graffiti tour today. Yeah, so right now, man, we about to check out some of the graffiti. So y'all stay tuned, man, as we travel, you know what I'm saying, in the city limits of Bogota, Colombia. Nah, I mean, definitely a good place for tourists to go. So y'all, you know what I'm saying, our host gonna pretty much tell us what's up, explain everything about the city, man, and we go from there, you know what I'm saying? So that's what's up, man. Welcome to Off the Beaten Path. Let's tour.
Are you good?
Yes, sir. Some good exercise, man.
Oh yeah.
I definitely got some good exercise.
Yeah,
today.
we'll have to get some break. Dime. ¿Qué cosa?
Es porque son estas botellas de colores diferentes.
Ah, son colorantes. Dicen que es fruta, pero son colorantes. ¿Qué tal, chicos? ¿Bien? Yes. ¿Bien? All right, my friends. So, welcome everyone. Good afternoon. My name is Luis. Okay, I will be with you in this tour for the next 2 hours, 2.5 that it lasts. Before we start, I want to know better each other, also for you guys to know in the group. So let's mention your name and your country, okay? If you want to start, welcome.
Mi nombre es Karina y soy de Argentina.
Recommendation for everyone, pay attention to your personal stuff. Here in Colombia, we have a saying, which is no dar papaya. Means like, don't be an easy target, or don't provide someone the opportunity to steal you. How that happens? Well, not on my chairs, but I have here people having their cell phones here or any of their pockets. Someone opens that while we're walking and they are stolen. Just while you're paying attention to your stuff, there's nothing that will happen, right? I have been doing this and other tours for 3 years and no one has been stolen yet. Yes. And hopefully it's not happening today, okay? Also in some places we're gonna have a coca experience. We're gonna try coca tea. Have you guys tried coca tea?
Yes. No.
See? No?
Not yet.
See?
Not yet.
No?
Not
No?
yet. No.
You have tried it. Nope, you have not tried it. Alright, that's fine. I will explain you at the end of the tour. Don't worry, it's not a drug. You are not getting high. You are not hallucinating. Nothing like that, okay? Guys, question for everyone. What do you think about graffiti? Or what do you know about graffiti in Colombia, Bogota, or worldwide? Anything?
I went to Berlin for a graffiti tour.
Oh yeah, a lot of
graffiti.
Okay, great. Here?
In Colombia.
Perfect, that's fine. Oh, perfect, guys. Don't worry. That's what we're focusing today. We're going to talk about letters, styles, legal, illegal, how they work, names, meaning, and everything about graffiti. Alright? So first of all, we must know that this area, named La Candelaria, is nowadays the second biggest graffiti community from Bogota. The first one is around the airport in a place named Puente Aranda. That is El Distrito Graffiti. La Candelaria is just the second biggest one. Nowadays, Bogota is in the 7th position, it's in the 7th place with more graffiti worldwide. This is based on a magazine named Cartel Urbano. They did a ranking out of 100 cities in 2018. And they found Bogota is in the 7th place, first one, New York, and we have more graffiti than places like Miami, Amsterdam, Rio de Janeiro, or Mexico City. Nowadays, street art is legal here in Bogota. There are some rules people have to follow, but it's legal. When we're talking about graffiti, we're talking especially about letters or this type of stuff. But we have like some difference, like street art, muralism, interventions, but we're seeing each one today. Graffiti was born in United States back in the 60s in Philadelphia with someone named Cornbread. Later the movement started growing, expands to places like Brooklyn, New York, and later became a worldwide movement. Graffiti is also part of one of the 4 elements of hip-hop. In hip-hop, we have 4 elements: rap, breakdance, turntablism, and graffiti. Also, here in Colombia, it was born in the 80s, in Medellin. In Medellin, there were some groups who used spray or messages outside people's houses in order for them to be aware about their actions if they did not abandon their house. And that's pretty much how it works. We're going to be focusing in everything related and talking about artists and everything that I have. Once again, feel free to ask questions, okay? So my friends, just before we start, about the word graffiti, talking about the etymology, it's a word that came from both the Latin and Italian. It comes from graffito, which means signs in the walls or painting. Here in Bogota, we have more graffiti than places like Cartagena or Medellin, talking about Colombia. Yep, that's pretty much what we'll be doing. I want you to look at this wall right here. Everything you are seeing, starting right here, finishing there, was made by 2 artists. 2 local artists that are Wosnam and Ociopor. This painting was named Mundos Imaginarios, or Imaginary Worlds. Most of their paintings, these artists, they have been inspired by 3 artists. One of these, Hayao Miyazaki, Lovecraft, and Gaudí. They have been inspired by the 3 of them in order to make surrealistic worlds, characters, and animals that are talking about pollution, contamination, smoke, and the relationship that we have with nature. This one here is also the second biggest painting that we have in this neighborhood, also during this tour. If you guys take a look right here, this is the morning. with orange, yellow color. This one right here, this is the sunset or the afternoon, and that's night with purple color. If you take a look to the painting, you're gonna find some animals that are just fictitious or mythological animals, talking about contamination, mutations, or some fruits that shows like fruits with chemistry or artificial fruits that we have in most of the countries or places. You know, most of the fruits are vegetables we eat today. They are not the same the farmer will bring from their backyard to your table. Also in this painting, there's a vehicle, there's a car taking plants, herbs, and fruit from that bench and is making garbage, which is something that happens every day at our houses, companies, or offices. We all are doing contamination everywhere. We also have like a two kind of monsters. The water have like a purple color, showing just like a contaminated area, same as their skin have like a different disease, showing like they have like an infection. So remember, these two artists are Woznan and also for everything was made in 2018. They are local artists. So guys, let's continue this one.
Is the worldwide traveler, also known as the king of travel. His life is like a movie. They think they got you figured out, but they really don't. Remember, don't just talk about it, be about it. Remember, don't talk about it, just be about it. Think bigger than your city. Let's travel. Let's travel. Thanks for watching Mr. Midas, the Worldwide Traveler, aka the King of Travel. But hey, stay tuned. The best is yet to come. To be continued.